Life's short, yet most people act like they've got forever. Here's the deal. Your days are limited, no matter what. The problem isn't life being short. The problem is wasting it without even noticing. We keep saying, I'll start later, when I have time, when things settle down. But later is a trap. It tricks you into thinking there's endless time. Time doesn't disappear all at once. It slips away quietly, day by day, while you stay busy with stuff that won't matter later. Our brains aren't built to feel time the way we think. We only notice what's new. As kids, days felt endless. Everything was fresh. Everything was big. Now, the routine makes days blur together. Same commute, same breakfast, same shows. Years just fly by. But there's a fix. Try something different. Take a new route. Learn a skill you've never tried. Talk to someone new. Every fresh experience makes time feel bigger again. Most people confuse being busy with making progress. Filling the day doesn't mean moving forward. Top performers, they do less, but what they do matters. Knowing what to ignore is more valuable than knowing what to chase. Relationships work the same way. Every small interaction either strengthens or weakens them. Big gestures aren't what count. It's the small, consistent moments. A text to check in. Remembering a tiny detail. Showing up when it matters. Work. Biggest mistake is staying too comfy. Comfort is career quicksand. Growth starts just outside that comfort zone. Money. It follows skill, not the other way around. Learn first, earn later. Health. It's the foundation of everything. Energy is everything. No energy equals no impact. Sleep, movement, fuel. These aren't extras. They're essentials. Emotions. They come in waves. You can't control the first wave, but the second, totally your call. In the end, life isn't measured by hours, but by what you actually do with those hours. Time will pass. It always does. The difference, what you leave behind, when it's gone. Life isn't just about what you know, it's about what you do every day. Your mind shapes your habits, and your habits shape your life. People think big change comes from one decision. The truth, lasting change comes from small, consistent steps. Every new habit you form adds strength to your mind and rewires your responses. Even 10 minutes a day of a useful habit can change your life in a year. The key, start small, not big. Focus on one habit at a time. Celebrate progress, no matter how small. The mind loves patterns, but it also gets bored of routine. Smart change combines stability and exploration. Stability gives structure, exploration gives life. Focus is the rare currency in a world full of distractions. Most people think getting things done depends on time, but the truth, it depends on deep, intentional focus. Every day you let your attention drift, you steal part of your future. Try this. Pick one important task today. Turn off distractions, phone, notifications. Work 25 minutes with complete focus, then take a short break. This is called the Pomodoro technique. Achievement doesn't come from working non-stop. It comes from working smart and focused. Remember, real power isn't in doing more work. It's in doing what matters with maximum focus. This is how you build a day full of achievements, instead of just passing time.